Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make this Nutella berry pizza. Real easy. We're going to show you how to stretch dough to make the ultimate pizza crust.
Blueberries and strawberries, Nutella. Can't go wrong.
Let's get cooking.
Looks good.
All right, before we start to make the Nutella
Dessert
berry
pizza.
pie, dessert pizza, we're going to go ahead and melt some butter. All right, butter's halfway melted. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now this is unsalted butter. You don't want to melt the butter all the way, just want to keep it nice and creamy. Turn off the gas and the butter's all ready to go. All right, let's start stretching this pizza dough. And I'm going to show you the proper technique to stretch a dough. This is not only good for this dessert pizza, it's good for any pizza really. I'm going to go ahead and flour it up. I'm going to go ahead and form our crust. It's real important when you make a pizza, you want to be sure that it's all even. I mean, you can have the best ingredients in the world, but if you're not stretching this pizza properly, it's not going to be any good. Okay, we have the dough, our crust all formed. Now we're going to go ahead and stretch it out. You want to take your thumbs and stretch the corners. Okay, that's big enough. Now we're going to go ahead and baste it with this sugar, butter. I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the oven. I got it set on 550 degrees. And we're going to place it on the bottom rack. So this way, the bottom of the pizza gets nice and toasty. All right, I've had this pizza in the oven about 10 minutes. It's nice and brown, golden brown. Now we're going to go ahead and top it with the Nutella and the berries. We waited for the crust to cool down a bit. Now we're ready to put the toppings on. It's nice brown carriage. Go ahead and put the Nutella. Spread it all over.
It's really good with the berries.
Yeah.
Strawberries. Blueberries. If you have never used Nutella before, it's a great hazelnut chocolate. Probably the best
Chocolate.
hazelnut chocolate spread.
Oh, yeah.
I've tried some of the store brands and they're not good.
Can't beat the original.
Nope.
Oh.
The kids love this stuff.
Oh yeah.
They go crazy for this.
Really easy to spread. You really want to wait for the crust to cool down before you put the Nutella on. This way it goes on nice and thick. Nutella is spread. Here comes Mama.
With the mafia
She
glasses
must
on.
have heard we were making dessert. You must have heard we were making
Did
dessert.
you smell the chocolate from outside?
We're going to go ahead
nice.
and put some of these strawberries on first. Oh, look at that. Here's your dessert, Mama. Okay. I'm going to put a little powdered sugar on there. Just sprinkle that.
Like it's not sweet enough.
Oh, look at that.
That's not powdered sugar, is it?
Yes, it is. It's not flour.
What do you think it is? Not a lot, just a little bit.
Look at that.
Just for a little color. Look at that. How nice that looks.
Beautiful. All right, let's dig in. All right, Mama. Try that Nutella berry pizza. Yes.
I hope so.
How is it? Good? Thanks for watching, folks. And hey, hit that like button if you don't mind.